This a survival story.
Been to hell through the fire, now gonna take it higher. Here's my survival story. So many reasons to sing them. Now we got the keys to the kingdom.
I remember those days when hell was my home, when me and mama bed was a big piece of home, and me never like bathe and my ear never come. When mama gonna work, me go street go roam. I remember when Danny them get my snow cone and make him lick my bread and then kick up Jerome. I remember when we visit them with pure big stone, and the boy Danny pop out something with full chrome. I remember when we run, but I get in me pound, and my best friend Richie get doing I'm down. I remember Sunny Avenue turning a war zone, and Mikey mother fly him out cause she get alone. Aye, Mikey go to foreign and go turn Al Capone. Make one leap of money and send me no I won't know how we all love the city, and that is well known. Yesterday Mikey called me on my phone. Me say Mikey, we get the thing them won't a look now. We squeeze 7 on the wall and them I don't know. Me a bully for that shot cause we not broke now.
We got the kingdom, so we got the big play. We take it from the bottom to the top, baby. And now the whole community can live greatly. I remember those days when we was at broken. I could barely find $1 for a token. I've been the train just to get where I'm going. Pulls after me, I'm running like I'm smoking. Remember those days when I went to bed hungry. All I ever ate was white rice and honey. Big dreams in my head, empty my tummy. Might crack a smile, but ain't nothing funny. I remember playing over needles in the streets. Everywhere I go, man, was some part of me. Dirty, hookers and hoes on 11th Avenue, selling bodies for dope. I remember crying, saying that that won't be me. Gonna make it someday, gotta be somebody. Say, mommy, don't worry, just you and me. One day we will get out of this misery.
Hey, we got the kingdom, the road I love now. Me squeeze 7 and the wall of them I love now. We have only for the shot, cause we not broke now.
We got the kingdom, so they have to make way. We take it from the bottom to the top, baby. And now the whole community can live greatly. Here's my